Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in your phone, Samsung Galaxy S10. For this we need alcohol, preferably 100% pure. We need a brush with flexible bristles, either soft or medium hard, but not too hard, so it doesn't scratch the phone's frame. You can buy this as part of a set, Allegro, Amazon. And if you can't buy one, you can also use a regular toothbrush, but alcohol is essential. Again, make sure the brush is soft or medium hard. This is quite important so you don't scratch your entire phone. The phone must be turned off before cleaning, so you need to do this, otherwise you might damage your phone. Thoroughly soak the brush with alcohol. Hold the phone in your hand. The microphone is right here, it's this little hole. And we need to clean this, so make 5 to 10 strokes with the brush in one direction, just to get the alcohol into the opening, and then the next strokes are simply to help the dust come out of the hole. Do the same in the other direction. Then move carefully towards the screen. Apply a few gentle strokes and then transition to the opposite side, meaning towards the small dot. Again, perform a few more strokes, just to make absolutely sure that you do it several thorough repetitions on each side. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times in each direction, so about 30 to 40 strokes each way, so that you won't have a phone. The microphone will already be perfectly cleaned. Now we place the phone the other way, because this phone has 2 microphones. The second one is here, this opening. So now we need to clean the second one, because they work together, so just one microphone alone won't do. Cleaning just one might not solve the problem you're experiencing, so only by cleaning both at the same time will you fully resolve the issues you're having. That's why you need to clean this microphone as well. So calmly we do it the same way. 5 to 10 strokes in one direction, then in the other direction, then towards the screen. A few times, and then a few times towards the flap, and we repeat this 2 to 3 times in each direction, so that the second microphone is cleaned just as thoroughly, and so we no longer have the problems we had before with the microphones, like it being too quiet, or the surroundings being too audible, or other additional issues during calls or recordings. After the procedure, we set the phone aside, put it down with the stick, and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, so that the applied alcohol can evaporate. After that, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, a like, and a subscription. See you in my next video.